Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest and most controversial questions in finance right now. Are we heading into another tech bubble? Nvidia just hit a $4 trillion valuation. Retail traders are piling into meme stocks again. And suddenly GoPro and Krispy Kreme are back on the trending list. So, is this the start of a new golden age of innovation? Or is the market getting way ahead of itself, just like it did in 2000? Hit that like button, subscribe for no hype market insights, and let's jump into the data. The rise of the Magnificent Seven. Let's start with the market's crown jewels. The so-called Magnificent Seven. We're talking about Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, Amazon, Tesla. These 7 stocks now make up over 30% of the S&P 500's total market cap. Nvidia alone added $1 trillion in value in under 6 months, faster than any company in history. Its forward P/E? Over 70. Its price to sales? Above 35. And yet, Wall Street keeps buying. But here's the question. Are these valuations justified by fundamentals, or are we in full speculative mode? Meme stocks make a comeback. Now let's talk about what's happening beneath the surface. We're seeing a resurgence of meme stock behavior. Examples. GoPro, up over 120% in just 2 weeks. Krispy Kreme, gaining over 80% on rumors of AI-themed coffee shops. Yes, seriously, GameStop and AMC, once again pumping after Reddit threads resurfaced. Retail traders on X, Reddit, and TikTok are using AI tools to create fake narratives and spark buying frenzies. This isn't about earnings or business models, it's pure narrative-driven speculation. And it's happening while interest rates remain high, unlike 2020. So why is this happening now? Is this 1999 all over again? There are real echoes of the dot-com bubble here. Back in 1999, Cisco and Microsoft traded at 60 to 100x earnings. Everyone was pouring into tech stocks without profits. Retail got FOMO and joined in late, right before the crash. Today, AI is the buzzword du jour. Nvidia is the poster child. Just like Cisco was in 1999, small-cap speculative stocks are ripping without news or fundamentals. But here's the difference. Today's giants are profitable. Nvidia's data center business is growing 200% YoY. Apple and Microsoft have tens of billions in free cash flow. So this isn't exactly 2000, but the speculative excess is definitely back. What's fueling the hype? Here are the 3 big forces pushing this narrative. AI mania. Every company is branding itself as an AI play. Whether it's real or not, the hype is lifting stocks across the board. Passive flows and ETFs. Index funds are forced to keep buying the Magnificent Seven, simply because they've grown so large. This creates a feedback loop. Retail speculation 2.0. With fractional trading, free apps, and AI-powered trading bots, it's easier than ever for small traders to move markets quickly. We're in a moment where fundamentals still matter, but FOMO matters more. Risks and red flags. Let's be clear. Not all of this is sustainable. Risks include multiple compression if interest rates stay higher for longer, disappointment from AI monetization, especially among chip makers and cloud providers, retail blowback. As meme stocks crash, many new investors could get burned. Valuation extremes. Nvidia and Tesla both price in years of perfection. We're not calling a crash, but we are saying, caution is warranted. Final verdict. So, is a tech bubble brewing? Not exactly like 2000, but speculative excess is rising again. You've got a core group of companies with real earnings surrounded by hype-driven, FOMO-fueled speculation, and retail once again chasing risky plays at the top. Here's the takeaway. Quality will matter this cycle. Speculation will spike, and crash timing your entries is key, even for the best tech names. So whether you're long Nvidia or eyeing meme stocks, keep your risk in check, and don't confuse short-term hype with long-term value. What do you think? Are we in another tech bubble? Is Nvidia the next Cisco, or the next Apple? Will meme stocks crash again? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you got value from this breakdown, like the video, subscribe for more no BS investing content, hit that bell so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.